Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I do a new set of Flexi press tips that I got from Missu Beauty. I do shorten them because I just fancied having shorter ones than what I used to have. And I don't know if you can notice, or if you do notice, I am in my new room, my new nail room. My husband has created these beautiful shelves for me. He's so clever. This is my under the stairs cupboard, and I've transformed it into, with the help of my husband, transformed it into my nail room, which I am really chuffed with. So I will give everybody a tour of the room on Instagram eventually. I just haven't had chance yet because we've moved into a new house. We've been here for about 3 months now, 4 months, but just it's been a bit of a massive whirlwind. So yeah, anyway, getting back to the video, I also use some the Missu Beauty, Missu Beauty Pro Gels. They're like gel polishes, but with Missu Beauty Pro Gels in this video. They sent me a few different ones, which I absolutely loved using. So I shall get on with the video. So to begin with, what I do is I apply some base coat to my nails, cure those for 30 seconds, and then I go in with some Missu Beauty nail strengthener and I cure that for 30 seconds. And then I go in with another coat of that and apply it to the Flexi press tip, and then I place that down on my nail gradually, or slowly, sorry, and then I just hold it there. I cure it with a little flashlight, which is an LED one, and then I fully cure it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then, as you can see, I cut them down. I had the long coffin shaped ones, but I just shortened them into shorter coffin shaped ones. And then I go around the cuticle area with my nail file and just make sure that that is flush with my cuticle so there is no lifting. And then I buff the surface of that nail as well, just remove the shine away from those nails. And then I go in with my nail polishes. Sorry guys, not nail polishes, gel polishes. It's a force of habit from years ago. Anyway, sorry about that. So the thing that you need to remember about Flexi Press tips, if you don't already own the pre-buffed ones, is that you do need to buff the underneath of those nails, otherwise they will not adhere to your natural nail properly. And one thing that I didn't show you is that I do put a coat of non-wipe UV gel top coat on the underneath of those nails as well, because sometimes it just feels like it gives them a little bit more added strength. I don't know, but anyway. And then I just go in with my gel polish. I cure the first coat for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. Then I go in with the second coat and again cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So this design that I went with for this video, I went for like a French manicure, my own version of a French manicure sort of thing. I used the 4D, no I didn't, I used the 4-in-1 gel polishes, sorry about that guys. And I did like a French manicure style design, and then I used the Pro Gels, excuse my dog's claws tapping across the laminated floor, sorry about that. And then I used my Pro Gels from Missu Beauty to create just like some stripes across the French manicure. I don't know where I was going with this video, but I really liked it. It felt really elegant to have this design on my nails. I loved it. So yeah, so I was well impressed. So everything that I applied 2 coats of, and I cured in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I applied my Pro Gels, and again curing them in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. So then I went in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat and applied that to my nail and cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I applied my cuticle oil. So everything that I used in this video today will be linked in the description box below, along with my discount code, don't forget guys, Beautified10, and yeah, and I shall pop some pictures on at the very end. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching my video this week guys, I really do appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I shall see you in my next video. Stay safe guys, take care, bye.